Welcome to Tooltech. I want to talk about some screwdrivers that would be very small but still very powerful. This is not one of them. This is very small, but you're pretty limited in how much torque you can use. So as much as I like these, that's not what I'm talking about. On the other hand, you have the ratchets. This can apply a lot of torque, but it's not that small. They're nice because you can change the beads, or maybe you can put an extension, but in general they don't have a lot of reach, and maybe a little awkward when you have to move it fast when the screw is loose, if it's very long. So can there be something that is as convenient as a small screwdriver with long reach and fast to use and have a lot of torque like a ratchet, and also can fit in small spaces? Yes, I found something. Can you see it? Here it is. There are these little screwdrivers. They have kind of long section here where you can use it as a small driver, but then they have this bent piece here where you can apply lots and lots of torque. So I thought it was pretty genius how they designed this, because now you can have all that power in a really tiny package. This fits anywhere. They're a little bit heavy, not just lightweight. If this was made of titanium, then it will be lightweight, but they aren't, which makes them cheap. But they fit in this tiny spaces, so I think it's a very interesting tool for a very portable toolkit. And it has all these functions, being long reach when you need it, high torque when you need it, can fit in a tight vertical space if you need it, or have long reach. Well, I already said that. So that's why I'm excited about these screwdrivers, and I wanted to share it. I'm gonna put a link to this if you want to check it out, and thank you for watching.